Oh, good morning. Here is what you need to install the Avatarify on on the GPU laptop. So the first thing is to check the type of laptop you're using, which the minimum specification is RTS 10 10 10 1050 20 series, 30 series, and 40 series. I am using the 30 series, and that's 3060, and my dedicated VRAM is 16 gig. So I'll put the other specification in the description. So after that, the first thing you will need to download is Git, Git. So you open your Chrome and you input Git and the search page. Then it will pop up like this. Then you click the first link, Git, not GitHub, Git. So on the right corner, you see download for Windows. Yeah, so you click download for Windows, and after that you will see click here to download. So I already have it on my laptop, so I won't be downloading. And I'll drop the link in the bio in the video description as well. So once you download, make sure you install. It is very necessary that you install the GIT that you downloaded. So as you can see, I already have it installed. So the next thing we are going for is Miniconda. So there's this thing about Miniconda now. Um, um, there's the latest Miniconda on the site now is you click the first link after you search your Miniconda. So the latest Miniconda on the site is 12 point, which it's kind of difficult installing Avatarify with 12 point and I think 11. So once you can't find the 3.8 on the website, but there's a link there. So once you search it, you don't click the latest Miniconda. You scroll down a bit, then you see repo Anaconda Miniconda. You understand? That's the link on the screen now. That's where you are going to. I'll also drop the link for Miniconda 3.8. So once you click it, it will take you to the web page. That's the Miniconda gallery. So that's the 3.8. So I won't download, but I already have it downloaded. So I'll drop the link as well. Thank you. I'll drop all the links on the video description. So that's about that. So the next thing we are going for is the installation. So you open the Miniconda installer here, the 3.8 we downloaded. So you open it and let's proceed. So you click next. You select just me. Yeah, that's what in just me. Then you click next. So if you have Miniconda installed before, it won't pass here. So you need to uninstall before you install, before you to be able to grant you access to clone the file here. So if you have it before, you need to uninstall them, then you come back to this place. So after you've installed, you click next. Then here is the where you grant access to the environment variables. So you need to grant access. You click on, and if you once installed before, you can just clear up the shades and you install. So it's installing. So after the installation is done, so you open the Miniconda. After the installation is done, you open the Miniconda. You don't open it as command as administrator. Just open it. Just open it. Just open it. Okay. So you just open it as administrator. Don't open it as administrator. Just open it as normal one. So the first thing we are doing on the Miniconda prompt is cloning the Avatarify folder. So how do you clone? You go to the Avatarify website. That's, you can just type Avatarify Python or Avatarify on the, you can just type it on the Chrome, then the first link, that's from the GitHub site. You go there, then just follow the steps on the video. So as you can see, that's what I'm copying: git clone, http git and com alvic Avatarify and so on. So after that, you can leave it, but I just love to like clone the Avatarify folder alone. I don't love putting Python. So you can leave your own as that, then you can edit the way I did mine. So after you have the link, copy the link and paste in your prompt. And after you've pasted the link in your prompt, then you enter the Avatarify directory by using cd Avatarify. So after that, the next we are doing is so sorry, I need to make this explanatory. Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm coming. Yeah, so the next we are working on now is we want to know the script we are installing. Yeah, we want to know the script we are installing. So that's where you put dir. Dir means directory. So when you put dir, it will give you the list of folders in the Avatarify Python, the list of files in the Avatarify Python. So after that, what we need there is the script. So you just put cd scripts. The script as you can see on the screen. So after that, we need to print out our script, what we are working on, you need to print them out. So that's where we have the install windows.bat. But if you input the install windows.bat alone, it won't give you what you want. So you need to put it as type install underscore windows.bat. So it will print everything out to you. Don't forget type install underscore windows.bat. So these are the script that we need. So the most important part of it, I mean, what we need from here is from the core script forward slash settings to the core pip install arrow requirements. That's what we need. So you copy what you need out using select and control C. Then you can paste it. Then you can paste it. You can create a notepad on the screen and paste it inside, so you won't do mistake. So from this core script now, you change the forward slash to backward slash. If you put it as a forward slash, it won't work. So you need to change it to backward slash. Then since we are working on Python 3.8, you change this 3.7 to 3.8. Note that 3.8. You know, the Avatarify came out with 3.7, so we are working on 3.0, so you change it to 3.8. So you give them space so there won't be any confusion. You delete the rm and this call remove directory form. If you have the form folder installed already, okay, you can see that I removed the one inside the front of core people comment test. So I'll drop all this on the description as well. Yeah, so if you have this, what's it called, this form folder, you can use the core. Okay, let's assume you have your Avatarify folder cloned already, like it has been cloned already. You can use the core remove directory form to remove it, then you reclone it. Talk about that. So okay, so that's all for now. Then the next thing is you need to close your Avatarify, the Miniconda application, then open a new one so we can start the main installation. So the first thing we need to do is to install Mamba. You know, since we are installing manually, so the first thing we are installing is Mamba. So let me look up to the Mamba site. Maybe I can get the Mamba link. Let's see. Install Mamba. Let's see. So you can just put install Mamba on Chrome, then hit enter. Then the first link, I think, yeah. Mamba is not here. Let's check the second link. Mamba. It's taking time. Okay, guys, let me just look up to the, what's it called? Let me check my files here if I have the Mamba code. Let me check my file if I have the Mamba code, so we can just impute it. Like, okay, I'll just type it on the notepad, but I'll also drop the link as well. Let's see. Okay, Conda install -c Conda forge Mamba. So that's what you need. You copy it and you paste it inside the Miniconda prompt. So you can see clearly now. So you paste, enter. So yeah, you need a very strong network to install this. I would advise you to have like your network should be running above 2 megabytes per second. Yeah, so that's the average network that you need, 2 megabytes per second. So let's give it time. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. It's going. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. It's about loading out. Okay, yeah. So you input Y is asking proceed yes or no, then you put Y. Y for yes and N for no. It put Y and put enter. So after this, the next one we are doing is to enter the enter the um ready cloned Avatarify folder. So that with the help of CD Avatarify. So you input your CD Avatarify and press enter. So here is where we need the script that we copied. So you copy all your scripts here to the last one, you copy it out, then you have it in a new notepad. Yeah. So you copy them one after the other and paste. Yeah. If you have a very good network and reliable network, you can just like, after you have everything well edited, you can paste it at once. So I'm creating the environment now. So after the environment is being created, you have to activate it by using conda activate the environment you created. So you can see now it has base. So after activating the environment, it will come with Avatarify, see users, sort, and you understand your laptop. So you can see the changes now. Can you see? Okay, that's good. Then the next one is you have to change. You can see call conda install. So this is the reason why. Here's the reason why we install the Mamba. So you have to change that conda to Mamba. Yeah. So it won't waste our time. So after you change it to Mamba, you copy and paste. So let's wait for this to install. I'll catch you at the end of the installation. As you can see now, it is done. And we come to the next part. That's the call Kuna install PyTorch, Torch Vision, CUDA to create 11 PyTorch. So you copy that. You don't need to edit that one. Yeah, you copy it, then you paste. So this requires a very, very strong network. And this we download a package of 1.7 gig. Yeah, about 1.7 gig. Yeah. So let's wait. As it's not only strong network, your network must be stable as well. Like it must be stable. Yeah. If not, you will encounter a lot of problems. I hope you understand. So yeah, here is it. So it's downloading now. It's a 1 gig, 612 megabyte, and so on. So let's wait till it's done downloading. I'll catch you later. So here it's done now. The next one is the Anaconda install the Anaconda JIT. Yeah, so copy and you paste. And this one won't take time. This one is just 99 or 101 megabytes files. So let's wait. Okay, you can see that this okay, this one is done. So this call remove directory FOMM as call remove folder FOMM. So if you have the FOMM installed, let's assume you have a pre-installed Avatarify folder on the laptop before. Yeah, this command will remove the FOMM folder before you now clone and down. Because if you have an existing folder of FOMM, you have this in there. It won't, the command will not like go through. But if you don't have it, will just tell you that we see the system cannot find this the file specified. So then you need to proceed with the next one, which is the call git clone the FOMM file. So you need a very strong network here, a very strong network. If you are running below 1 megabyte, you won't go through here. But I'll try to drop a ready-made FOMM folder. Drop the link out. So I'm done with the FOMM. Then here is the last but not the least of the commands. Yeah, I will advise you before you run this one, try to uninstall any antivirus you have on your laptop. I'm not talking about the Windows Defender. I'm talking about the Norton, the Avast, the MacV, and any other third-party antivirus. Yeah, try to remove them before you run this command. So those antivirus won't allow this to go through. So that about that. This one won't take long. If you have a very good network, yeah, it won't take long. So let's wait. Okay, it's done now. Then let's run the oh shit. So let's run the run underscore windows part. The run windows dot part. So let's see if there's any error. If you have any error, any mistake, or there's need to fix anything. Let's see. And note, after the whole installation, Avatarify is an offline application. You can run it offline without connecting your data. So you can see now, okay, it's still going. You can see the error now. It said DLL load failed. So this error is very simple. You just need to upgrade your pillow version. So just upgrade the pillow. So all you need is to put I'll put the command here now. So it's just easy, just pillow, copy paste stop pillow equals to 9.5. So as you can see now, then the next error here is Vox ADV CPK part star. Yeah, that's a lot of people have been having issue with this same error, but it is the simplest this thing to fix. Yes, yeah. So all you have to do is to just go to your web, search Avatarify Python. But me, I love to download the so just search Avatarify Python YouTube. Yeah, then you download the first model file. It's about 700 megabytes. Yeah, you can download and download. I'll also drop the link in the bio. So and make sure you like and subscribe, please. Like, subscribe, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to share. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. It's going. So I'm done with the downloading. Just copy it. You can cut it here. So just to save space, cut it, then take it to your Avatarify folder. Inside the Avatarify folder, then paste it there. So let's run the run underscore window dot start again. And let's see. Okay, this part here, we are good to go now. So this part is where it will download the PT some modules. Yeah, some modules. This is where to download. So testing, if you have some other camera, it is always advisable to uninstall expression, and um many. If you have split camera, especially, you can remove expression and split camera because they always like use your camera and they won't allow access. So here is it now. The camera is working. Yeah, I won't be showing myself for some reasons. So here is it. Um, yes, that goes. Okay, I'm trying to maximize it. Okay, you can see it says fit in your face in rectangle. W to zoom, W to zoom in, S to zoom out, then X to bring out the avatar. So once you press X, the second camera will come up. And make sure you have your face, like only your face in the red box. And make sure you have a very good camera and a good background lights. Don't use any blinking lights. Don't stay close to fan or AC. You stay in a very in a back and let your background have a very plain color. Yeah, you can put a curtain, you can put you understand I'll stay close to the wall. Yeah. But don't stay close to any blinking light or TV or noise or fan. You understand me? And make sure you have a very good external camera and a very good ring light. So then always have a finger on the X. So anytime you notice that your face is moving out of the red box, immediately you fit your face to the red box and you press X again. The X for xylophone. So make sure you always have your finger on X while using it. You understand me? So always have a finger on the X. So I won't be showing my face, and that's why it's not well aligned, and also I don't have a light here. So let's wait. Let me set up the OBS. Okay, so here is my OBS now. In the source button, you see in the source box, you see a plus sign. You click, then you click Windows Capture, and you click OK. Then you tick the capture cursor. So anytime you're trying to move your mouse on the face of the VM Avatarify, it won't show. Then you click OK. Then click Control F. Control F. Yeah. You click Control F. So fit to screen. Yeah. So that's it. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And in the section of start visual camera, you see very small settings in front of the start visual camera. You click the small settings, then it will bring a page for you. From there, just click the program. I don't know what's there, the programs. Click it and change it to source, then click OK. That's all. Thank you for watching once again. Like and subscribe. Thumb up.